Happy Sunday, January 25th, 2026, beautiful spiritual brothers and sisters. This is the Glyphosate Guy, also author of upcoming New York Times best-selling book about increasing your mind span, titled How to Die of Nothing, as well as passive and residual income while you sleep as a pro network marketing coach, Danny Zen, coming to you live from the Northern Hemisphere with Sunrise, post-sunrise number 749. Listen, I'll block out the next 15 minutes or so you can learn about 10 simple ways that you can get more sunlight in your daily life, okay? Number one, by the way, just like this solar panel here on my emergency hand crank radio needs to be recharged, we also need to get recharged as well, so you can be your very best, have great sleep, have better executive functioning because you got better sleep, and just better physical and mental health, okay? Sunlight is also a nutrient, and it's what I call primary nutrition, okay? So number one tip to get more sunlight, if you can, have an occupation that requires you to be mostly outdoors or completely outside. I mean, these things could be like being a lifeguard, a fisherman or woman, farmer, rancher, a mail carrier with a walking route, maybe even a bicycle courier if you're in a major city, or maybe a beachside hotel, bar, restaurant server, a roofer, solar panel installer, like for my company, onehouseoffthegrid.com, all letters. By the way, make sure you visit this so you can earn an extra $7,000, so you can be able to also control your schedule and be outside more, okay? Again, that's onehouseoffthegrid.com, where you'll learn about America's #1 part-time home-based business opportunity, and you'll earn that $7,000 when you help an American with our 15 core energy upgrade items and self-reliance items, and also to possibly earn passive income while you sleep, since you'll be able to sponsor or recruit other what I call utility bill freedom consultants on my nationwide deep energy retrofit platform, okay? So other occupations, I guess you can be other home improvement service pro, clean gutters, utility worker, dog walking, a pool boy, tennis, or some other outdoor sports instructor. Okay, you guys get the picture. So that's number one. Obviously landscaper, if it's possible. Okay, number two simple way to get more sunlight in your daily life. If it's safe and not too far for your commute to your job, maybe you could walk, bike, e-bike, rollerblade, or skateboard to work, okay? And the next thing, try to dry, if you can, dry your clothes or even wash your clothes outside, okay? I'm gonna actually show you, I'm gonna go walk on over to my condo to show you a steel washing tub, at least on the computer. So if you bear with me, I promise you that this will be worth it as I go to my condo to show you this, okay? Hope everyone's having a great weekend, and if you want, as always, to actually look forward to Mondays instead of dreading them, make sure you recondition your thinking about how to earn money by having a mindset shift by watching the video version for Robert Kiyosaki's cash flow quadrant concept, okay? So you can build your own dreams versus somebody else's, have leverage, stop trading time for money, and have a business that you own instead of it owning you, okay? Go to tinyurl.com/financial ed 101, okay? Again, that's tinyurl.com/financial ed 101. And that is here at this link that you see there, okay? These are the 4 legal ways to earn money in America. And if that link doesn't work, you can also visit tinyurl.com/financial education 101. And as always, be sure to print out my How to Own Your Life document. a 3-step simple system, but not easy, so you can live your dream lifestyle. Okay, that's tinyurl.com/I want freedom now. Again, T Tango INYURL.com/I want freedom now. Or if that link doesn't work, go to tinyurl.com/more hammock time. Okay, so I was saying the steel washing tub. And it's great if you're, grid down situation. There's no way to run your electric, agitating clothes washer that we all use. Head on over to my Wiseman Trading shortened affiliate link, which is tinyurl.com/steel clothes wash tub. Let me just double check that link here. Go to steel clothes wash tub, okay? And that will take you to, again, Wiseman Trading. Hold on, guys. Sorry. Okay, again, tinyurl.com/steel clothes wash tub, okay? And then you'll get something like this. Let me show you. Okay, I don't have one of these yet, but I plan to get that. Okay, you can get a single or double, and with stand and without a stand. Okay, let me brighten this up for you. And so after you washed your clothes in there, then go ahead and dry it on something like a clothes rack or clothesline. Okay, go to my shortened clotheslines affiliate link that you see here. Okay, tinyurl.com/shop clotheslines, so you can be outdoors more. Okay, and then the next thing is, where did my paper go? Number 4, try to prep and cook and eat your meals outside. Okay, have more picnics. If you can, even get some solar cookers that I actually have. Well, this is one fancy one. It's a extremely high temperature parabolic solar cooker or burner made by Solar Cantina West. Okay, this is major, man. In the summertime when you get a nice strong heat, noon sun, this thing can reach, believe it or not, temperatures I think of upwards of 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, you can get one of these by visiting my shortened Cantina West affiliate link by going to tinyurl.com/parabolic solar cooker. Okay, again, Tango INYURL.com/parabolic solar cooker. If that link doesn't work, you can also visit linktree/solar cooking for dummies to learn about the wonderful, clean, fuel-free, planet-friendly world of solar cooking. Okay, and as you can see here, let me get that up. Sorry guys, thanks for your patience, I appreciate it. Okay, so go to Solar Cooking for Dummies. That's linktr.e/solar cooking for dummies. Okay, there you'll also learn about my partner called GoSun with their amazing evacuated tube style solar cookers. Those can reach temperatures of up to 550 degrees, so you can be outside more. Okay, and if my mouse would cooperate, I'll show you how they look like. So go to tinyurl.com/get GoSun stoves. Okay, this is their sport model. I actually just have one, their GoSun Go, which is the smallest one. Okay, and they have some amazing other products that will help you to be outside more, such as their ultimate kitchen, as you see here, and you can support American company business, Mr. Patrick Shuren of Ohio. and other stuff, and again, to help you be outside more, okay? And again, you can learn more by visiting tinyur.com/get-go-sun-stoves, as you see there, okay? So that's number 4 for being outside more, simple way. Number 5, if you can, and if it's not, poor air pollution, maybe drive with your car windows down, or if you have one, open up your sunroof, okay? That's pretty easy enough to do. Number 6 is shop at places that are outdoors, such as, many farmers markets or flea markets, okay? And I know there's not too many places outdoors, but yeah, so that's another tip. Number 7 way to get more sunlight in your daily life: do as many of your personal hygiene and grooming things, outside, such as flossing your teeth, brushing your teeth. Okay, I even have a portable water pick. I'll just, go outside since it's got a rechargeable battery in it. Do your nail and hair care outside if you can, if it's appropriate. Even shaving, okay? For those gentlemen with beards, outside, okay? Number 8 is socialize and hold your sales or business meetings outside, like at an amphitheater or park. Okay, that's not too much effort. Number 9, this one is a little fancy now, okay? It's not a simple one, but this is amazing fiber-optic solar daylighting. That way you'll actually bring the sunlight inside. And I happen to be the country's first distributor for these amazing, started by a Swedish company, and the website is called peranslight.com, okay? I believe they got taken over by a Chinese group. I already did some training with them, and they are pretty amazing. They have both residential and commercial models. Let me just show you that. Okay, when you go to peranslight.com, it'll take you to, let's see here. Here we go, okay? P as in Peter, ARANS, Perans Light, okay? Sorry for the glare, I know it's hard to see. Okay, peranslight.com. You can also view a white paper and along with a thing for architects by visiting my Linktree / fiber optic daylighting site that you see there, okay? Again, that's linktr.e fiber optic daylighting. And you can contact me if you want to get a quote for this for your home and or business, at least in the USA, maybe in North America as well, okay? So, and then lastly, number 10 is to get windows that open, and they're called casement style, casement windows, and that's the last tip, okay? So you can, if it's, good air quality outside, not air pollution, okay? So anyways, that's it. I know they kind of rambled on, just 10 simple ways to help you to get more sunlight in your daily life, okay? Take care, everybody. Have a beautiful day.